Welcome to BESS Basics by Trina Storage. We're here at our Madrid office to take you on a journey through the fundamentals of utility energy storage. In this video series, we'll cover everything from understanding what a battery energy storage system is to exploring the unique solutions Trina Storage offers. You will also get to meet team members from various departments who will ensure energy storage is explained in the clearest and most accessible way possible. Whether you're new to the energy storage or looking to learn more, this series is designed to make complex topics simple and easy to understand. Let's dive into the basics. What is utility energy storage and why does it matter? As the world increasingly adopts renewable energy sources like solar and wind, maintaining a steady and reliable power supply becomes a challenge. Renewable energy is inherently unpredictable. The sun doesn't always shine, and the wind doesn't always blow. This is where battery energy storage systems, BESS, step in. BESS helps bridge the gap by storing excess energy when production is high and releasing it when the demand increases or generation dips. But the importance doesn't end there. BESS also supports grid stability by balancing supply and demand, reducing reliance on fossil fuel-based backup systems, and providing services like frequency regulation and peak shaving. They can even enhance energy access in remote areas and serve as backup power during outages. Think of BESS as a giant rechargeable battery for the grid. When there's more energy being produced than needed, for example, during a sunny afternoon with high solar generation or a windy night when turbines are spinning at full capacity, the BESS stores that surplus energy. Later, when demand increases, such as during the evening when households consume more power, or when renewable generation drops, it releases the stored energy back to the grid. At Trina Storage, we're helping make this concept a reality on a large scale, providing the technology that ensures a more resilient, balanced grid for communities around the world. Stay tuned for a new episode of Trina Storage BESS Basics video series. We will continue to explore how we're leading the energy transition to storage.